In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method in Manychat in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your credit card information or switching to a different payment method altogether, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can continue using Manychat without a hitch. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to manychat.com. It's important to make sure you're visiting the right site, so double-check the URL to avoid any potential confusion. Once there, you'll want to log in to your Manychat account. If you don't have your login details handy, now might be a good time to retrieve them so you can proceed smoothly. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you should notice a sidebar that contains several icons. What we're looking for here is the gear icon, which represents the settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where you can make various adjustments to your Manychat account settings, including updating your payment method. On the settings page, you will find multiple tabs at the top or side, depending on the layout. Here, locate and click on the tab labeled Billing. This is where all of your billing information is stored and where we'll be making our change today. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this section can be helpful for future reference, especially if you need to review your transaction history or update billing addresses. After you've clicked on the Billing tab, scroll down until you find the section titled Payment Details. Positioned here, you will see the details of your current payment method, and this is also the area where you can make changes. If you're wondering about what type of payment methods are acceptable, Manychat typically accepts major credit cards and sometimes other methods, but it's always good to check the specifics as they can update their policies. At this point, you might see an Update button in this Payment Details section. Go ahead and click that button. This will open an area where you can enter your new payment method information. Be sure to carefully and accurately input details like your card number, expiration date, and any other required fields. Mistakes in these details could result in failed transactions, so accuracy is crucial. Once you've entered all the necessary information, double-check everything to ensure it's correct and up to date. Then, confirm or save your changes, depending on the button option you see. After saving, your new payment method will be on file, and you're all set. There you have it. You've successfully updated your payment method in Manychat. Be sure to keep your payment information current to avoid any disruptions in service. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more tutorials.